Heyo boss, and welcome back. Today Chef's going to show us a great simple fall recipe. This is busy day soup. It does get busy during the fall with school starting and sports picking up, and it's just a busy time of year. So we have a great recipe for you that doesn't take too long and is very simple to make. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So you're going to start off with some ground beef, and Chef and his wife do know a farmer that actually is in the cattle industry, so very excited to use some of the product that we bought from him. And go ahead with your mix and chop and start to brown this up. Okay, once the ground beef's already cooked, go ahead and add your water. And all the ingredients will be listed down below. Okay, next up, Chef's just going to add some French onion soup. It's that dry package mix that you get. Stir that right in. No, we're not sponsored yet. Okay, some diced up tomatoes next. Give it another stir, and now this is going to cook for anywhere between half hour to an hour with the lid on. Alright, after about half hour to an hour, go ahead and remove that lid. Chef now is going to add his elbow macaroni. This is uncooked. And just a vegetable melody, so your mixed vegetables that are also from the bag but not cooked. And you're going to give this a stir, and you're just going to keep an eye on it till that elbow macaroni is nice and cooked and soft. Once everything's all set, you can go ahead and plate this up. Very hearty dish, very delicious. And it looks like Chef has some oyster crackers there. Now, depending on how much macaroni you use, which again, down below will be descriptions. It could be more of a soup mixture, or if you use more macaroni, it could be more of a goulash mixture. So if you want it more of a soup or a goulash, you can do that, so feel free. But we do hope you enjoyed this video. We're excited fall's here, and stay warm as it gets colder, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and remember, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.